publication of journal. And I would also like to thank Dr. Sushruth Ingwale. He is a final year, just completed the final year medicine resident in GSH Medical College in Mumbai. So he was the editor-in-chief of our Global Journal of Medical Students, and it's my utmost pleasure and honor to take the position in editorial board. So the birth of the GJMS, how it was initiated, like we felt that the research in India is still under development and it needs a good support. Since we have a good number of mentors here, good teachers like Rakesh Garg sir and Lokesh Adara sir who came forward to support student initiatives. So we thought of initiating a student journal. Since sir has a vast experience in editorial board in various national and international journals, so they have guided us in making this idea into action. And I would like to say a few more things which we have included in our first article. So the birth of GJMS. A clinician at an individual level impacts the life of a patient. A teacher, through his students, impacts the lives of hundreds of patients. A researcher, through his quality groundbreaking research, impacts the lives of millions. So this is the motto where we love to encourage students to take up research. If you are all aware about, like, the developed countries has done a groundbreaking research which impacts the lives of millions of patients, whereas in India still there is need to be improvement. So if we inculcate research at an undergraduate level, then the students have much exposure to research and research methodology, and then definitely they will aim for the groundbreaking research during their post-graduation or during their resident or being a professor or clinician, whatever may be. And every journal should start from ground level. So, and while requesting students to submit the articles for our journal, most of our students said, like, is it PubMed index? It has any impact factor? So how if we see any good journal like Nature or New England Journal of Medicine or IJMR, it should start from first issue and it should start from scrap. So since we have good support from faculty, so it's not only single led by students. Since we have good support from faculty, we are damn sure that it will achieve a good impact factor and good indexing in future. But the support is needed in the initial days. So if we able to get some good number of articles in the initial issues, definitely the indexing agencies will give us good indexing and take it into their platform. So I hope and I request every student to contribute some articles to our journal and encourage our journal and encourage our motto and initiation and becoming a part to make this journal initiative into a successful one. With this, I conclude. So thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. I'm very honored to take part of this. Thank you so much.